Sometimes the internet can be a really cool place, even though it's toxic most of the times. But I just want to give a shout out to Jay and Arnulfo. If you guys are watching, man, these guys, like, they just reached out to me from the previous video. So if you guys didn't watch my last video, it was the junkyard video, and I was trying to find the trunk trim pieces. I believe Jay is from Cali and Arnulfo is from Texas, and they said they had a couple sets laying around, and they asked me, like, you know, do you want them? So I was like, shit, hell yeah, I want them. So basically they sent them out. I got them here yesterday, both. It's funny at the same time. So again, Jay and Arnulfo, thank you if you guys are watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. So these are them, hybrid trunk arm covers. Guys, I don't know why they didn't put these on the Civic SIs. But yeah, so I got two sets, one from Jay, one from Arnulfo. There are some scuffs on them, obviously, but you know, nothing that you could see because it's all pretty much underneath when you pop the trunk. I know Jay sent me some stickers with them as well. So this Honda original part sticker is pretty sick. And then Simple Speed Garage, I'm not really sure if that's his brand or whatever. So there's 4 clips to this. You have 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. With the Civic Si, I know there's no holes to put that there, so you're gonna have to drill. So we're gonna attempt to drill. I really hate drilling, guys. Like, I don't like cutting, drilling, any of that stuff, because there's so much room for error. Today is kind of like a chill day. It's not really like a big video. Next week, I got the Jay's Racing Diffuser coming from Cali, personally delivered by FA5 Blee. Shout out to Ben. And we're gonna do a review on that car, so definitely stay tuned. You guys do not wanna miss that video. And yeah, we're just doing minor modifications today. So I'm not sure where you guys are at in the part of the world or the country, but I know in Arizona, it's usually pretty damn hot around this time. The summers here can get pretty crazy, but right now it's sitting at a nice 80 something. All right, so we got some nice shade here in between the buildings. And let me show you guys what I'm working with. So normally when I pop my trunk, you guys will see how ugly this wiring is. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Although Danny did a really good job wiring everything up, this is like some speaker wire, but it does work, I assure you. I just do not like how it looks, and I want to cover this up. And so today we're gonna be addressing that. I'm gonna get my drill bits and we're gonna get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is basically just mark up where I'm gonna have this hole drilled. So I don't really have like a punch. I'm just gonna use like this tire patch thing here, get the arm and kind of just get an idea of how it's gonna look. So we have this side here, and this is gonna sit like this. It's gonna cover all of the ugliness of the wiring. That's why I got this. Kind of ghetto, but it works. All right guys, so I finally got through after a couple minutes of drilling. This hole is not big enough for the clip, so I'm gonna have to switch to a bigger drill bit, and then we'll go ahead and test fit and see if that works. All right, so, oh, perfect. Yeah, so the bigger drill bit actually works a lot better. So now I'm gonna go to the other side, go ahead and do the same thing, and then go ahead and put everything on and see how everything fits. All right guys, now for the fun part, we can go ahead and assemble. I'm gonna start with this side right here. Make sure everything is good to go. Cover piece, you have a left and a right. Just gonna pop this on, get your clip that's supplied, push it in. Now there is another hole on the bottom that you can drill. I think for now I'm just gonna see how this holds up if I do need to drill at the bottom, I will. This seems like it's holding up and it's sturdy. And like I said, it hides the wires. This works. This will do. So yeah, looks good. Let's go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna kind of push this up here. I got the clips in my pocket actually. These clips are actually like the best for the trunk removal, just because you could just pry it out. These drilled ones where you have to like drill is kind of annoying because, you know, it takes up time and stuff like that. Same thing on that side. We're gonna punch these wires up around. They're not visible. Take your supply cover here. Just fit it on. Tuck these wires out of the way here so people can't see them. There you go. Out of sight, out of mind, right? And put your clip. All right, so this one's not going in as easy as the other ones, so I'm probably gonna have to end up drilling out a little bit of it. All right, let's try that now. This one. Man, I will say just like a small little detail really changes up the whole look of the trunk set. Like I'm still trying to get over how clean this looks, and it hides the wires just like I wanted. Man, I don't understand why this never came on the actual regular Civics, just the hybrids. But check it out, guys. What do you guys think? It's just very seamless. It kind of just blends in with the rest of the car. You know, like the white arms kind of takes away, and it just blends so nice, man. The trunk carpet and everything like that. Sheesh. This looks really, really good, guys. Everything is all OEM, so it lines up. So one thing I didn't do was put the clips on the bottom, because there's kind of like a, I don't want to say like a clip, but kind of like a thing that kind of like holds the bottom piece. I can't really explain it, but man, they look amazing. I'll hit you guys with some B-roll real quick, because yeah, this looks super clean. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was somewhat of a shorter video, but next week I have a lot more stuff coming. Exciting things. Got the Jay's Racing diffuser, as well as a couple other things, and the homie Ben is coming down from California. So if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to see more content. I got a lot more content coming soon. You guys don't want to miss it. And yes, with that being said, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.